Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by exposing the zipper and inspecting the damage so you know what to remove. Once you see the missing or loose pull, make sure threads and slider are free of fabric. Use a flat surface. This prevents further tearing. Carefully remove any top stops with pliers if needed to free the slider. Do this slowly so you don't distort teeth. If the pull is jammed, gently work it loose with a needle while supporting the slider to avoid bending metal. Now you remove the old pull and clear the slider channel so a new pull will seat properly. First, open the slider just enough by easing a top stop or by slightly prying the slider slot with needle nose pliers. Once open, extract any broken pull remnants or bent metal. Steady the slider to prevent twisting. Make sure to clear lint and stray threads. A clean channel ensures smooth movement. Then test the slider motion before adding a replacement. Attach the new pull by threading it into the slider slot or loop a small keyring through as a quick fix. You'll feel it seat when aligned. Once attached, restore the top stop by crimping a new metal stop or sewing a few secure stitches to prevent the pull from sliding off. Test the zipper through its full range several times. If it binds, reopen the slider slightly and realign teeth, then repeat until smooth. If binding persists, replace the slider.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.